the Permanent Secretary of Finance, Governor of the Reserve Bank, the Auditor General, Chief Executive and Managing Directors of FDB, the FNPF, and Voreqe, Chairman and members of the Organizing Committee, our sponsors, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Tala, Ms. Ambulavanak, and a very good evening to you all. It's great to be here with you this evening during the Diwali weekend, of course, and at the start of what will be a very busy week after the holiday on Monday. And early this morning, the military forces also conducted the early morning service, dawn service, in remembrance of the 4 soldiers and the 2 policemen that died 13 years ago in the dark days in the annals of Fiji. And 3 of those soldiers died today, 13 years ago. It's quite significant because those deaths, besides other factors of course, change the course of our history. We now have a new constitution, and of course we're looking forward to the election in 2014. But this is the first of a number of speeches I'll be giving. Among them the welcome ceremony for the arrival of the 3rd and final new Fiji Airways Airbus on Wednesday, and the groundbreaking ceremony for the new work at Nandi Airport on the same day. And of course, there's the budget speech on Friday, always the longest and most testing of the year, in which we lay out our economic priorities for the next 12 months. So you can imagine, tonight is a night which I intend to enjoy to the fullest with the company of friends and fellow sports lovers, and I will spare you all a lengthy address. I just want to say that this evening marks the 2nd year of the Bainimarama Tournament Awards night, which celebrates courage, achievement, sacrifice, teamwork, and more importantly, the forging of closer ties between the institutions that are part of the Ministry of Finance. It's all about pursuing excellence in our performances and celebrating the way in which sport binds us together as individuals, as a team in government, and as a nation. Hence, the theme of this year's tournament, unity and teamwork, which I happen to believe are the 2 most important qualities we need as we build one Fiji, a better Fiji for every Fijian, no matter what their age and background. I'm told that the level of this competition has shown vast improvement over the first of these competitions last year. As they say, practice makes perfect, and I'm very pleased to see that you've all risen to the challenge to improve your performances. Congratulations on all your achievements in the last 2 weeks. A couple of weeks back, I was among some of you for the PSC Service Excellence Awards. And I'd just like to repeat some of the things I shared with our civil servants. We are just that, servants. We are here to serve the people, and there can be no more noble calling than that. One of my government's highest priorities is to ensure that all our public institutions deliver services to our fellow citizens efficiently, equitably, and enthusiastically. We must always find ways to improve, to innovate, to do more with less, and to overcome challenges, no matter how well we think we are doing. Just as we never accept the second best on the sporting field, we must never accept second best when it comes to serving the Fijian people. I'll be speaking a lot more in the coming days about my government's vision for Fiji, a vision that we can only build with your assistance. It's a vision of a fairer country, a more equal country, a clever country, taking its proper place in the region, and of course the world. And we can all be part of it. But in the meantime, I want to thank you all for your dedication and service to the nation so far, as individuals and as institutions. as we celebrate your sporting achievements tonight, I'd like to conclude by quoting Bill Baum, the co-founder of the sporting empire Nike, who said, "Victory is in having done your best. If you've done your best, you've won." It's great to be here in the room of winners, and it's even greater to be here with those that have done their best. Have a great evening, and I'm going to thank you.
Thank you very, very much. The Fiji National Provident Fund and the Fiji Revenue Trophy for 6 months each, at the end of which the trophy will come back next year for the tournament in 2014. Thank you.